So part of looking after our mental health is one of my favorite things, which is self-compassion. And self-compassion means that we take a moment anytime within our day and we just take a moment and think of where we're at, center ourselves, do a breathing exercise, but also have loads of compassion. And one of the ways that I look after myself is self-hugs. So I just take myself and I give myself a big hug and I just tell myself I appreciate myself. And that is then what I hold close to me throughout the day. So that can also help self-regulate you if you're feeling this deregulated. So you just give yourself a huge squeeze and then you let go. If you're struggling with any form of self-compassion or struggling to have some compassion for yourself, just find one thing that you like about yourself, pop it in the link below, and let us know how we can help.